the Esteam Flood Master 001, 150, and 200. The Esteam Flood Master is the world's #1 CSA-approved flood restoration machine, with two two-stage vac motors producing 150 inches of water lift and an optional 150 and 200 psi pump for cleaning. It's no wonder that this versatile machine is the #1 flood restoration machine that all professional cleaners want. With an industry-leading Wayne pump out for maximum disposal of flood water at 65 gallons per minute and a rotor-mold housing with a limited lifetime warranty, this precision quality machine is ready to tackle any flood or cleaning job with the reliability that you've come to expect from an Esteem product. The Esteem Flood Master comes standard with many great features: a swivel lid for those confined areas, a 10-gallon recovery tank and freshwater tank, a 1.5-inch dump valve for ease of emptying when not using the auto pump out feature, brass quick connects for your solution hose, 4-inch swivel front casters, and 8-inch large non-marking rear wheels for ease of maneuverability. With a large built-in rear and 2 front-mounted handles, it's easy to move the machine up and down stairs and into a vehicle. Large and easy-to-reach durable rocker switches. A 1.5-inch discharge port for 65 gallon per minute disposal. All this in a rotor mold housing for durability. To start using your machine, make sure to plug in the machine into 2 separate 15-amp circuits to avoid tripping circuit breakers. For water extraction, begin by connecting your vac hose to the vac hose port on the machine lid, securing it firmly with a hose clamp. Connect the other end of the vac hose to your extraction tool. Connect the 50-foot discharge hose to the discharge port located on the front of the machine using a hose clamp to secure it tightly. Make sure that the open end of the discharge hose is discharging into an approved disposal site. Turn the vac motor switches to the on position, and the pump out toggle switch to the on position. As the waste tank fills, the extracted wastewater will automatically be pumped out at 65 gallons per minute to the approved disposal site. Once the work has finished, switch off the vac motor switches. Leave the auto pump out on until the recovery tank is empty or it shuts off. Then switch the pump out toggle switch to the off position. To empty the remaining water in the recovery tank, connect the 45-degree elbow to the dump valve, place a pail underneath the dump valve and pull up. Once all the water has been extracted from the waste tank, simply close the dump valve. The Flood Master 150 and 200 are also capable of cleaning. To begin using your machine to clean, pour in fresh, clean, warm to hot water into your solution tank. Add the correct amount of detergent or rinsing agent to your fresh water. Begin by priming the solution pump. Connect the open-ended brass priming quick connect to your solution hose. Connect the other end of the solution hose to the quick connect on the machine. Place the end of the solution hose with the priming brass quick connect up to the vac hose port and turn on both vac motor and solution switch to the on position. Hold the solution hose up to the vac hose port until a steady stream of water starts to come out of the hose. This is an indication that the solution pump is now primed and ready for use. Once a steady stream of water is coming from the solution hose, turn off both solution pump and vac motor switch and remove the solution hose from the vac hose port. Disconnect the primer brass quick connect from your solution hose. Your pump is now primed. Connect the vac hose to the vac hose port on the lid. Connect the other end of the vac hose to a wand. Make sure that the rubber stopper is inserted into the discharge port on the front of the machine, as the auto pump out cannot be used for carpet cleaning. Connect the female end of the solution hose to your wand. Turn both vac motor switch and solution pump switch to the on position. You are now ready to clean. Once you have finished the work, switch off both the solution pump and vac motor switches. To empty the recovery tank, attach the 45-degree PVC coupler to the dump valve, making sure to place a pail underneath the dump valve and pull up. Once the recovery tank is empty, close the dump valve and switch on both vac motor buttons to the on position. Using the vac hose, suck up any remaining clean water in your fresh water tank, never submerging the open end of the vac hose completely in the water. Empty the recovery tank the same way as the soiled water by placing a pail underneath the dump valve and pulling up. Lastly, close the dump valve once all the water has exited the recovery tank. The Esteam Flood Master, tackling the heaviest of flood extraction and making it easy.